construct in the end is nothing but a shell of what I had when I first started. A shell of what I had when I first started. I feel like I was born for devastation and reform. Destroyed everything I love and the worst part is my heart to reconstruct, but in the end it's nothing but a shell of what I had when I first started.
What's up, you guys? Thanks for checking out this drum cover. If you somehow stumbled across this drum cover and you've never heard of Relient K, go check him out right now. Even if you just forget to subscribe, forget to like, whatever, just go check out Relient K. I'll even include a link in the YouTube description to one of my favorite songs by them. It's not the best drum cover material, but oh man, it's one of my favorite songs. So go check it out, and thank you for watching this video.